Before we get into this video, I thought I'd share my last video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we are doing today. Hey girl, hey, or whoever may be watching. So we are going to make a quinoa salad today. If you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. If you like what you see or the video, make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. It's free, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so as you all can see, we have our ingredients here. Now let's just say on the beans, I must say I overcooked them. You soak them overnight, cook them. Once they soak, you don't have to cook them that long. I soak mine in baking soda to get out, anything that may cause gas in your stomach, okay? Soak them overnight or at least 8 hours. And then you are going to boil them in just plain water. About 15 to 20 minutes is good enough. And I started doing things around the house and I forgot. So I have black-eyed peas, lentils. I also have some black beans that are left over. So I'm going to throw those in there, which I did. We have microgreens. We also have olive oil. We have fresh lemon. Everything is fresh, you all. Cilantro, bell pepper, red bell pepper, we have purple bell pepper, we have yellow tomatoes, of course we have kale, we have carrots and sweet potatoes, purple onions, tomatoes, beets, and green onions. And then let's talk about the kale. If you don't like kale or you don't like the bitterness of it, you can always sprinkle fresh lemon and then add a little bit of salt, okay? So let's go ahead and make our bowl. So the one thing I did forget to mention is quinoa. I just bought, I can show you all the brand. It's like a mixture, it's a multi-grain. Cook that, follow the instructions on the bag. Once again, I cooked it too long because I was doing stuff around the house. Follow the directions, the instructions on the bag. This is a little too soft for my liking, but hey, we're not gonna waste. We're not gonna try to front on camera and get everything perfect. We just wanna be real. Or I just want to be real, okay? You're transparent, all right? So let's go ahead and make our bowl. We're going to take our beans, okay? So we have our beans, green onions, beets, along with our tomatoes, purple onion. This is a quinoa grain bowl, okay? Carrots and sweet potatoes, kale, yellow tomatoes, our purple and red bell pepper, cilantro, and then we are also going to add our microgreens. So our salad is done. Now we are going to mix it. As you can see, I put the avocado on the side. Wasn't really sure about mixing it because I haven't done that before. Use a small amount of poppy seed. Use whatever dressing you want or go dressing less, okay? Really, you don't need it. I just thought that I wanted to add a little something extra. Maybe it was the white, I don't know. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get it mixed. Alrighty, so it looks good. Smells amazing. You know, I am really trying to be more purposeful, which is what I've said in another video on what I eat. Am I perfect? No, far from it. My plan is to just try to eat as healthy as I can at home. And then when I go out to eat or hang with friends or somebody says, hey, let's go to so-and-so, I can't say, oh, I can't go. And remember, this is not a diet. This is a lifestyle change. That's it, you know? I don't want to be hard on myself. Don't you be hard on yourself, because I have been hard on myself. But you know what? It's one day at a time. You fall, you get back up, okay? So I think it's mixed pretty good. Remember the beans and the quinoa, cook them less times. Quinoa, follow the instructions. Your beans, once you soak them overnight or at least 8 hours, you only need like 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want them really soft or soggy, at least I don't, okay? So let's go ahead and try it on camera. Okay, so the real taste test is here. Let's do this. I should add a little more kale. Good. I can use a little more seasoning. I like kale, but if I eat too much, it will bother my stomach, and that should be for anyone. I used to eat so much kale and wondered how come my stomach was hurting. My daughter was like, Mom, can't eat that much kale. And I'm like, why? I have no idea. That's the stomach, is just, it doesn't break it down properly. Hold on, let's get some seasoning. I need a little more seasoning on this. So I added some sea salt, okay? And I did add about a teaspoonful of, less than that actually, maple syrup. Why not? A little sweet, you know. It needed the salt, for sure. I will also insert like how I cook the potatoes, probably how I cook the rice or the quinoa, and things of that nature. For your quinoa, make sure you rinse it and then you do a double rinse. The reason why you do this, you want to alleviate most of the bitterness in your quinoa. Very important step. I noticed on some of the bags it doesn't say that. After you rinse it, let it sit for 30 minutes, turn your eye down low. Of course, as I said earlier, follow the instructions on the bag, guys. Go ahead and let it boil. Bring to a boil, go ahead and add your lid on there, turn it down, and cook for desired bag instructions, okay? And then, yeah, it's done. I did overcook it. I did express that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse it, and yeah, rinse it off again, and it's done. And for your beans, soak in baking soda overnight or at least 8 hours. Put them in the fridge. When they are finished, you want to thoroughly rinse them, get all the baking soda off. All right, go ahead and pour them in your pot. Baking soda helps get the oleosaccharides off of so it doesn't cause bloating or gas, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put them on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes is all you need. If you do not want them soggy, and you can see I forgot to set a timer. For your potatoes, you're gonna put them on. You have carrots and sweet potatoes, guys. Great mix. You're gonna add some onions, let cook on medium. Add water, helps them cook a little faster. Make sure you watch them so they don't burn. There's your onions. Continue to stir.
and they're done.
This is so good. You have to make it. I promise you, it's really good. If you are a healthy person, you want to make it. If you're trying to get healthy, but you're still not with it, it's just about changing your mindset. I know it's not easy. Our body craves certain foods. I am one of those people as well. I have an addiction and it's food. So I want to attack it in a healthy way. Oh my goodness. You want to make it. It's a great quinoa bowl. Okay, so I'm not going to have this whole thing on camera. Of course, I just want to do a taste test to let you all know how it tastes and just encourage you to make it and make better health choices. Once again, I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. Don't be so hard on yourself. Just start again the next day. Still chewing. I'm gonna eat a little more off camera and then I'm gonna come back and show you all dessert. So now that I'm finished eating, I did add the avocado, ate some of that, I forgot. But this is dessert, which is jackfruit. If you've never had jackfruit, it's yummy. I picked this up, it was way too many in a packet for just me. So I hope they're not bad. No, they're not bad. Jackfruit is amazing. It's so sweet, it's so natural. And come with the seed in the middle, a huge seed. I'm just gonna eat the meat of the jackfruit. Let's have one more. This is so good. Look at that seed, piece of that seed out. Fibrous, yummy, so good, so sweet, all natural. And when you're careful what you're eating and making better choices, you can taste your food. This is so sweet. It tastes like it has sugar in it. Amazing. Okay, so I had 3. I ate another one off camera, okay? I ate another one off camera. They were just that good. So good. But I want to say if you made it this far, so my camera cut off because I need some storage. But anyway, I cleared up some right quick. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, share, and or subscribe. Commenting down below really helps the algorithm, and I am really trying to grow my channel. So once again, if you like what you see, like, comment, share, and or subscribe. Hopefully you will make this meal. It was so good, and it's good for you. Let's get in the mindset of what's good for us. Sometimes doesn't taste the best, but what's tastes good is the worst for our bodies. But this was really good. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. It's been real, it's been fun, but this queen is done. Bye.